Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. So breakfast, I'm going to make up some eggs. This is the tallow that I fried up. What did I cook in here? I cooked in here the meat bites the other day. And so what I did was I just poured the tallow out through a strainer. And that's why it's colored. But this is just tallow, and it probably has remnants of meat flour and meat in it. But that's all right. Oh, I've used seasonings too, I'm quite sure. So I'm going to let this melt down and I'll get back to you. Okay, we're doing something a little different today. If you've watched me very long, you know I have eggs every day for breakfast. But what I don't ever do is an omelet. So I have whisked up these eggs. It's 3 eggs. I put my salt and pepper in these little shakers. And this way I have these up on my shelf that my sister made. So I got my salt and pepper. They're super handy so I don't forget. Whoop, whoop. So I'm going to cover, no. I'm going to just kind of let them go a little bit. I was watching Kent Rollins the other day. And I was like, omelet sounds good. So I have some chopped up zucchini. These are those pepper strips that I buy. Got some onions, I got some cheese, and some real bacon pieces. So I was watching Kent Rollins the other day and I was like, man, that omelet looks good. So I'm going to get me one. Kind of watched, she kind of kept it moving a little bit and made sure that, it didn't really stick. So I'm just kind of making sure mine doesn't stick either. So see, it's moving around. I got it good and hot. I'm just kind of spreading the top liquid around. Look at that. See us sliding around there? That's a good cast iron, buddy. Good cast iron. I'll let it go just a little longer till some of that congeals. Alright, so now we're going to put on some onions. We'll just do it on half of it. These are just raw onions. Get in there, fella. Oh no, you ain't getting away from me. Maybe you are getting away from me. There we go. Okay, a couple more right around there. A little bit right around there. Alright, so we'll have some onions. And then we're going to, like I said, I've got some cut up zucchini. You just put whatever your little heart desires on your omelet. Your omelet can be as carnivore or keto as you want it to be. You can make it Western. You can make it, I don't know. I was about to say vegan, but no you can't. No, you can't make this vegan. Vegetarian, I think they eat eggs. I don't know what different people eat. Get back up there. Come on, get on up there. Get up there. I'm going to burn my fingers off, and then y'all are going to be like, what happened to Terry? Well, she's in the ER. Just remember, if you ever see me doing anything dangerous or boneheaded, let's say it that way. If you see me doing anything boneheaded in my videos and it gets uploaded, typically if it's uploaded, I should be okay. Because I don't typically upload things until after it's over. Well, I don't upload a video until after it's over. So I should be alive at least for, a little while. But if you see me do something and you never see me again, that's when you should be like, that was the thing that got her. That was the move that got her. And now, then you need to log on to the obituary of the Southeast Missourian in Cape Girardeau, Missouri. Oh, come on, fella. You ain't got time for this. There, we got it. Now I've got some of my mild, fat-free cheddar cheese. Okay. We're having us a big old omelet, y'all. Big old omelet. Scoop some of that stuff away. I'm going to put the lid on it and let it go for a minute or two, and I'll get back to you. There we go. Now, look at that big old omelet. I'm going to use 2 spatulas, I think. That way, I don't dump it. Check out this action, man. Check out this action. It reminds me when I was in grade school, and I had to write sentences because I got into trouble. I would use 2 pencils to write sentences, and I could do 2 lines with one hand. I'm going to get this goodie out and I'll be back. Look at that. Doesn't that look pretty? It kind of exploded. But man, oh man, look at that omelet. Yum, yum, get you some. I'm going to clean out my skillet before I eat this because it's going to be too hot, so hold on. And just so you know, there might be a little bit of stuck on stuff. So I'm going to use my Katie water. And that will help deglaze anything that's stuck in there. I learned that from Brenda Gant. So I'm going to clean this and I'll be right back with you. Look at that. Smooth as a baby's butt. All I had to do was run some water or just a little bit of soap in it, and I used a soft brush. There was no scraping involved. So now I set a timer. I keep my oven on or stove on medium, and I just say, "Hey Ziggy, 10-minute timer." Hey Ziggy, timer, 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Starting.
And in 10 minutes, I'll come turn off my stove.
Change timer to 5 minutes.
And in 10 minutes, I will come turn it off and let it cool down to get to regular temperature. I don't usually add oil to it. Once in a while, I'll add some oil, but it's doing good. It doesn't need it. There's enough. I mean, you saw how well those eggs are. There's no need for me to do anything special to it. So it's going to sit for 10 minutes, and let's eat. All right. Got our omelet. Let's do a taste test, man. It's going to be good. Gonna be good stuff, Maynard. Oh, I thought it was fur. It's a piece of string. It's a piece of cheese that's all strung out. All right, now. Yep. That's my Saturday breakfast. Okay, bye. Hey there, it is Saturday, and I am eating some pulled pork. This is still from the time I made it last time. This is not left over from my thing yesterday. So I'm going to have pulled pork, and if you see my video of me, all the things that I prepped today, this is battered zucchini and squash. I'm going to eat on that. So that's going to be my lunch. I got some apples that are kind of on the edge of not being so great. So this, and an apple. That's my Saturday lunch. Okay, bye. See you at supper. Hey there. So supper tonight. This is one of the burgers, patties that I made. So that I had labeled ZC73. So it's 73%. And it was a patty that I made based on doing carnivore. So I'm going to have this. And I have some fruit with it. I'm going to put a little ketchup on it. Just a little bit of G. Hughes ketchup. Okay. And then I'm going to put a little bit of minced onion in there. And I'm going to put a little, I think I seasoned it, maybe I'm not 100% sure. So let's take a bite and see. It smells like I did, but I'm not sure, so let me just take a taste. Nope. I'm going to put some salt. I'm going to put some onion salt. I'm going to put some garlic salt. I'm going to put a little bit more of these minced onions, just a little bit. All right. And then we're going to pull out some of these bread and butter, no sugar added pickles. One more. Okay, two more. There we go. So, that's going to be my supper tonight. A burger with ketchup, onions, and some pickles, and some fruit. So, happy Saturday!